Did you know that there are over 125 different types of kalanchoes? In this video, I'm going to show you 12 of the most beautiful flowering varieties that you need to know about. And at the end, I'll reveal my favorite, which I think is the most stunning. Kalanchoes are succulents, so they store water in their leaves. And just like other succulents, they have a shallow root system, so they don't like to be overwatered. Some kalanchoes are red, like this one with its bright red flowers. Some are orange, like this one with the fuzzy, soft petals. And some are yellow, like this dwarf variety with its tiny, delicate flowers. There are even variegated types with green and white leaves, like this one here, and some have spotted leaves, like this black and white variety. There are also kalanchoes with purple flowers, like this African queen, and this one has fuzzy purple buds that look like they're covered in glitter. This variety has small pink flowers that grow in clusters. And this one has large, showy blooms that look like little umbrellas. The most unique kalanchoe that I've seen is this one with its blue flowers. It almost looks like an alien plant from another planet. And finally, there are two types of kalanchoe that have no flowers at all. The first one is this succulent with its long, arching branches. And the second one is this trailing variety with its cascading growth habit.